Today's phrase is up your alley. Ever hear someone say, "That's right up my alley"?
Right up your alley.
Right up your alley. You know what I mean?
No, they're not talking about a street. It means something that perfectly matches your interests or skills. It's an idiom we often use when we know someone will enjoy or be good at something. So if something is up your alley, it's exactly your style.
This project is right up your alley. Yeah, that's right up Marlo's alley.
Your focus on applied research? It's right up his alley.
Here are two example sentences using this phrase. 1. If you love mystery novels, this new detective series will be right up your alley. 2. Cooking shows are really up my alley. I could watch them all day. So, what's up your alley? Share it in the comments. And stick around because tomorrow's expression might just be another one for your collection.